What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mitolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mitolyn works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a natural dietary supplement designed to support effective weight loss and boost overall wellness. With a blend of scientifically backed ingredients, Mitolyn targets the recently discovered root cause of weight gain, enhancing metabolism, and promoting fat burning, among other benefits. How Mitolyn works. Recently, Harvard scientists discovered the real cause of slow metabolism, low mitochondrial levels. In a study they did with volunteers, there's just one common factor in all slim person: high mitochondrial levels. Mitochondria is present in every cell of our body. It's responsible for transforming the food we eat into energy. That's why the more mitochondria you have, more fat you'll burn. Mitolyn incorporates natural components like maquis berry, rhodiola, amla and others, all known for their powerful properties to increase your mitochondrial levels. Key benefits of Mitolyn weight loss supplement: enhanced metabolism, speeds up metabolic processes to help burn fat faster. Increased energy levels, keeps you energized throughout the day, supporting an active lifestyle. Appetite control, reduces cravings and helps manage dietary habits. Supports mental focus, ingredients like L-theanine improve mental clarity and focus. Healthier lifestyle, aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels, supporting overall well-being. Mitolyn supplement ingredients. Mitolyn is made with high-quality natural ingredients, including maquis berry, rhodiola, amla, schisandra, and other compounds that work synergistically to promote mitochondria and accelerate your metabolism, helping you burn fat and keep it off. Is Mitolyn safe? Mitolyn is made with 100% natural ingredients, ensuring safety and efficacy without harmful side effects. It's manufactured in the USA in FDA-approved facilities adhering to strict GMP guidelines. This guarantees the highest possible standards. How to take Mitolyn? Although you can take Mitolyn with any beverage of your choice, it's recommended to take it in the morning with a glass of cold water. Avoid consuming it at night to prevent disrupting your sleep. Mitolyn guarantee: affordable and risk-free. Mitolyn is priced to be accessible, and it comes with an impressive 90-day money-back guarantee. The manufacturers are so confident about the power of Mitolyn that they're offering 3 months for you to test it risk-free. If you don't like Mitolyn for any reason, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. But remember, the original Mitolyn weight loss supplement is only sold on the official website, therefore is the only place where you'll have this guarantee. Mitolyn conclusion: as you can watch in this video, Mitolyn changed my life completely. The internet is filled with people experiencing life-changing results with this product. You can actually see some other testimonials on the official website. Plus, it's affordable, natural and has no side effects. And if you were still on the fence, the guarantee can give you more security. If you don't like it, you can have all of your money back, so you have nothing to lose.